Did you know that a single mature tree can absorb carbon dioxide at a rate of 48 pounds per year, and in turn, release enough oxygen back into the atmosphere to support 2 human beings? That's right. In the fascinating world of landscaping and horticulture, the humble tree is a silent superhero, combating climate change one leaf at a time. But trees are not the only stars of the landscaping show. Consider for a moment the variety of plants that can bring beauty and balance to a garden. Take, for example, the perennial plants. These are the stalwarts of the garden, returning year after year to provide color and texture. They range from the delicate lacy blooms of the astilbe to the vibrant, eye-catching colors of daylilies and peonies. Perennials are typically planted in the spring or fall. A hole should be dug that is twice as wide as the plant's root ball and just as deep. The plant is then placed in the hole, the soil is replaced, and the plant is watered thoroughly. It's a straightforward process, but one that can bring immense satisfaction when those first buds appear. Yet not all plants are perennials. Annuals, as the name suggests, complete their life cycle in 1 year. They are often used to provide a burst of color in a garden. Think bright marigolds or delicate pansies. Planting annuals involves a similar process to perennials, but they are typically planted in the spring and require more regular watering. Now moving on to shrubs. These sturdy plants provide structure and form to a garden. They can be evergreen like the boxwood, providing color all year round, or deciduous like the hydrangea, which sheds its leaves in the fall. Planting a shrub involves digging a hole that is twice as wide and deep as the root ball, placing the shrub in the hole, replacing the soil, and watering well. And then, of course, there are the trees. From the mighty oak to the graceful willow, trees are the backbone of any landscape. Planting a tree involves more effort, given their size. A hole needs to be dug that is 2 to 3 times wider than the root ball, and just as deep. The tree is then placed in the hole, the soil replaced, and the tree watered well. Each of these plants and their planting methods contribute to the diversity and beauty of a garden. They serve not just aesthetic purposes but also play vital roles in our ecosystem. So why not embrace the joy of planting? Whether it's a perennial, an annual, a shrub, or a tree, the act of planting can connect us more deeply with the earth and the cycles of nature. It's a rewarding experience that not only beautifies a space, but also contributes to a healthier planet. So, grab a shovel, choose a plant, and dive into the world of landscaping. With each plant you place in the ground, you're not just creating a garden, you're creating a sanctuary for yourself and a haven for wildlife. And remember, in the grand scheme of things, you're also playing your part in preserving our planet. Happy planting!